Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I think it's been a month since I uploaded here on YouTube. But yeah, it's been a long time nevertheless. But I'm gonna try to make a video for you guys today, and it's gonna be awesome. Okay, so today we're gonna be going on to a site called userbrain.net. It's a very simple user testing website, and I'm gonna show that to you guys in a minute. So this is a website. You just get paid to test websites. You understand what I'm saying? So you want to just test websites, and you're gonna get paid to do that. So you just, for you guys, you just wanna go here and click paid, get paid to test. Once you've done that, you wanna see this, and you just wanna sign up as a user brain tester. As you can see, there's a Mr. Brain team confirmation link. It's an email actually. You need to click it. Then click here to confirm your email address. So that's it, guys. Just it's a simple way to make money online. Currently, I have a balance of $9, and I've made 13 tests. So these are your ratings. You're gonna have I have a 3.2 rating, and somebody gave me a 1 rating because of, you're gonna have technical difficulties. So you need a stable internet connection. I'm just giving you that as an advice, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, I would suggest that you leave a like and subscribe. And what's gonna happen is that on the next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to start building an e-commerce online store in South Africa. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. For example, this is a store that I just built a couple of weeks ago. So if you guys want to see how to make an online professional store in South Africa, so you just leave out comments below and I'll show you the whole entire process. Probably hours, probably 6-hour long video, but I'm gonna try to make it into sections and show you guys how to make an online store. This is currently being built. I'm still editing and adding products on this site, but it looks professional, and as you can see, it does have a secure connection and all of that. So it's a certificate. I'll show you guys how to get all of that, and as you can see, products are live, but people cannot exactly buy because I actually made it just like that, so that people cannot buy instantly. I'm still making edits and all that, trying to make it look professional. This is all you can see. Yeah. So if you guys want to see how this is actually done, just comment, and also for the video that I'm making now, just leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.